Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to board early on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the very middle of the screen, as you can see, you can go and of course book a flight. So we have that option there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and board early on Jetstar Airways. So to board early on Jetstar Airways, you can take advantage of their early check-in option, which allows you to check in up to 12 hours before your flight if you're departing from Singapore Airport. So go to Jetstar, click on Manage Booking, which is the option here. Then, of course, put in your reference, your last name, and of course, your booking reference. Then select the option to check in online. I don't have a booking at the moment. That's why, of course, I cannot help you with it. I cannot show you this. And then you need to process the check-in as early as 12 hours before your flight. Once checked in, you can download your boarding pass and head straight to the boarding gates when you arrive at the airport. Early check-in can help you avoid the crowds and make your travel experience more comfortable. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.